Our project is titled Smarter Shopping, Usability Audit and Redesign for Retail Environments. It explores how supermarket design affects the way users navigate, search for products, and make purchasing decisions during everyday shopping. Although grocery shopping is a routine activity, it involves multiple steps such as locating items, comparing prices, and completing transactions. When store layouts or information displays are unclear, these tasks can become time-consuming and frustrating for users. Through this project, we aim to identify usability issues in retail environments and explore design improvements that can support faster, clearer, and more efficient shopping experiences. Firstly, in the empathize phase, we conducted an observational study at the eMart service counter focusing on users' waiting experience and moments of frustration. Our primary user is an adult customer who works in a physically demanding job and usually shops after long, exhausting workdays. His main goal is to complete payment quickly and leave the store as soon as possible. However, our observations showed that unclear product placement, missing price information, and poor shelf organization slow down decision making and increase hesitation. For users who are already physically tired, searching for items and standing in line feel exhausting rather than just inconvenient. These insights highlight the importance of designing retail environments that support smooth, efficient, and user-friendly shopping experiences.
Based on our site observation at eMart Samarahan, the primary task for customers is to locate Coco Crunch cereal, compare it with other cereal brands in terms of price and packaging size, and make a purchase decision efficiently within a large supermarket environment. However, our observation reveals several usability issues. Customers experience difficulty locating the cereal section due to unclear aisle signage. After reaching the shelf, crowded product arrangements and small, closely placed price labels made comparison difficult, resulting in longer decision time and visible hesitation. Using Norman's 7 stage of action, these issues indicate the presence of both the gulf of execution and the gulf of evaluation. Users are unsure where to find Coco Crunch and later struggle to confirm whether they have selected the correct product or best value. These problems violate the principles of visibility and mapping, while also increasing cognitive load, highlighting the need for improved navigation, clearer pricing information, and more effective feedback. This table illustrates the current user interaction at eMart Samarahan using Norman's 7 stage of action. The interaction begins when the customer forms the goal of purchasing Coco Crunch cereal. The user then forms the intention to go to the cereal aisle and specifies an action by looking for aisle signage or shelf labels. During execution, the customer walks through multiple aisles before reaching the cereal section. The system state is perceived through cereal shelves and price tags, after which the user attempts to interpret the system by identifying Coco Crunch and comparing available options. Finally, the user evaluates the outcome by deciding whether the correct product and best value have been selected. However, difficulties in interpretation and evaluation indicate usability gaps within the current retail layout.
Hello, my name is Haikal. My matrix number is 105062. So for the immediate phase, our focus was on generating design ideas to solve the usability issue we observed at eMart in Samarahan. We noticed the customer often have troubles finding specifics cereal brands like Coco Crunch, comparing price and packaging size, and making decisions correctly in a busy supermarket. Our main goal is to help customers, especially parents and young adults, shop more efficiently and confidently. Secondly, our first design idea is about improving shelf level. The problem we observe is that customers struggle to quickly identify product and compare price and size. To solve this, we propose using a large height contrast text to display the product name, price, and packaging size in a clear and consistent formats. This help user recognize products easily without having examine each packaging closely. This design follow Norman principle of visibility and the universal design principle of recognition over recalls. So next, of the second idea is focus on helping a customer compare product more efficiently using a visual cues. In busy, noisy hassles, people often overlook important information. We plan to use color codes, price tags, icon to indicate package size, and simple comparison symbol to highlight difference between products. These visual cues reduce cognitive loads and make comparison easier. This idea uses a Norman principle of feedback and the universal design principle of multi-sensory input. Third idea is address the physical layouts of their products. We notice the inconsistent product placement confuse customer and make it harder to find what they want. To improve this, we suggest arranging products in a left to a right flow by brand or price range, placing a Cocoa Crunch at eye level, and using shelf divider with a clear category level. This help guide the shopper intuitively. The design follow Norman mapping principle and recognition over recalls. So the lastly, selection of design idea. All three design idea were selected because they are target different aspects of the shopping experience. A clear shape level improve information clarity, multi-sensory cues help with visual comparison, and safe flow improvement physical navigation. Together they reduce confusion, lower cognitive loads, and help customer make faster, more confident purchase decision. Alright.
Several problems shape our design vision. First, crowded cereal aisle make Cocoa Crunch hard to notice. So we introduce a 60 cm vertical shelf with a bold header for better visibility. Second, too many choices can confuse shoppers. We simplify this by grouping products into mini, medium, and family packs. Third, small price tags are hard to read. So we use larger black and white label for clear pricing. Overall, the design delivers a shopping experience that is simple, clear, and comfortable. Our vision for the Cocoa Crunch retail prototype is to create a clear and effortless shopping journey. First, strategic brand visibility is achieved through a dedicated vertical section with a bold shelf tag, making Cocoa Crunch easy to spot. Second, choice architecture simplifies decision by grouping product into mini, medium, and family packs. Third, information clarity is ensured with large, high contrast price tags, making price easy to read for all shoppers. Finally, high contrast side panel guide customer to identify product size from a distance. Together, these elements create a clean, trustworthy display and a smooth shopping experience.
I want to eat Cocoa Crunch. I know a place where I can get it. Let's go to Imart. Wow, found it. It is so easy to find it because there's so many labels that are well organized. Now I will take it.
Hello, good morning.
Hi, morning.
How was your experience shopping with us today?
My experience was so amazing. The shelves are well organized so that I can find whatever I want.
I'm glad to hear that. Thank you for shopping with us.
My name is Rugeri Ajamuri, metric number 107356. For the future work, although our current design improve the way customers find and compare Cocoa Crunch in the cereal section, there are several opportunities for future enhancement. First, future improvement could include clear category-based site ads in certain aisles to support faster navigation in large store layout. Second, digital or smart shelf label could be explored to provide real-time price and promotion update, helping customers compare options more efficiently. Finally, future testing could involve a variety of shoppers, such as parents shopping with children and elderly customers, to ensure the design support the needs of different users. For the piece, by implementing this redesign, the serial shopping experience becomes clearer, faster, and less frustrating for customers. Improved visibility helps shoppers locate Coco Crunch more easily. Clear pricing information support, quicker comparison, and better self-organization reduce hesitation during decision making. Together, these improvements reduce cognitive load, shorten decision time, and create a more confident shopping experience. This redesign offers a practical and human-centered solution for improving everyday retail environment.